Am I hesitating to spend, okay, to get a particular service, or to get a particular course, or to get a particular service? I'm spending, I don't want to spend on the tools, I don't want to spend on services. Like, better to make your life simple, less stress, less pressure, more time, more energy must be required for your growth. So don't hesitate to spend. If any spending saves your time and energy without thinking a single second, better to spend that money. It's a leverage. It's not losing. Observe that. It's a leverage. It's not losing. Okay. So better to, so just we should use money as a tool to protect our time, to protect our energy. Okay, money is not the thing which you are always going to keep in your wallet. Remember that. Money is the thing which should do some activity for you, which should save your time, which should save your energy. Is not the thing which is always going to keep in the bank locker. Is not the thing which is always going to keep in your wallet. Remember that. So some student asks, sir, I am just an employee. How I can manage? How I can recruit a person with 5,000 rupees made? If you are having such a type of thinking, you can't develop. Recruit a person 5,000 rupees. With that time, you can earn 50,000 rupees on your own skills. Think about that. Don't hesitate to spend 5,000 rupees. Most of the people, very unfortunate, okay, they are earning lakhs of money, but they are trying to save rupees. They are, okay, rupees time. No, if that spending, bold spending must be required. If you really it's going to save your time, it's really if it is going to save your energy. Don't hesitate to spend. Money you should use as a tool for your growth. Money is not the thing which you are going to keep in your wallet. Money is not the thing which is going to keep in your locker or in your bank account. On fine day, you have to go. While going, you can't take a single paisa also. You can't even take a single paisa also. Whatever you earn, morning to evening, all these things you have to leave here and you have to go. Remember carefully. Okay? So key takeaways. Smart spending multiplies result. Smart spending multiplies results. Investment is not loss. It's growth. Okay, it's not loss. It's a growth. Like, yeah. So can you please confirm any doubt about this? Yeah, please respond.
Because investment in trading is a smart choice or it is a loss?
That depends on you. If you are very perfect and professional, you can do that. If you are not perfect, or if you are not spending the time, you are not professional in that area, don't do that. Simple rule. Any other doubts?
Sir, how to identify the right people, like so identify the right people, and also what is the price? Might be we don't know, right? So the price ranges they are looking for actually.
Yeah, Pradeep. What you can do is
Uh,
just these days ChatGPT, or otherwise these days n number of who's are there surrounding with you. Suppose here assume that a small example, you require a maid. In your apartment or otherwise in your community, there are several people who are maintaining the maid. Hare, how much you are offering? 1,500 rupees. Okay, offer 1,600 rupees or 2,000 something like. Even if you are looking for a website developer, okay, just observe one small post. Better to keep one dummy post in the freelancer. Array, 15,000 rupees I'm offering to, this is my activity and so on, or 10,000 to 20,000 rupees offer. There are some persons who come who can do 10,000 rupees only. or who can quote for 12,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees, so that you can aware that based on your work. Okay,
Okay.
whatever requirement we had, this requirement already utilized by
Somebody
lakhs
else.
of people.
Hmm.
Lakhs of people. Approach your known circle in your known circle. You require a driver. What you can, one of your friend already having the driver. How much you are paying? 15,000 rupees I'm paying. Okay. 15, 16, 20,000. Okay, acceptable. Like you have that idea. If you want, if you are going for the shop, groceries or somewhere, vegetable shop, how much is this particular item? You have some idea. Onions, how much is the price? You have some idea. Like that thing, I don't think it's a problem. Okay. So good. Hi friends, welcome back. Let me cover some more topics so that you people can get much clarity about these things, right? Okay. So what is the next topic what we have to discuss? Up to this, it is very clear for you people. From the last four topics, last four topics what we covered, time is the most valuable asset for any person. That's why while using your time, you require to take a bit special care. Okay, small activities. Don't waste your valuable time on small activities. Better to delegate those activities to the some right who's identify a right who, delegate to those people, right? Next, one more, 2, 3 or 4 more subtopics I will discuss. So that we can complete this part. Okay, here just have a look once. The next topic what we have to talk is beautiful concept. Okay, another chapter. Build a team. Build a team around your weaknesses. Around your weakness. Build a team around your weakness. Okay, like. So do you know most of the people are always trying to hide their weakness. They're always trying to hide their weakness. Suppose you are strong in one area, but you are weak in other area. It's a very common. It's a very common. Why you have to worry about that? You are strong in one area, you are weak in another area. No one in the world is very perfect. So no one should be all rounder in every area. Just take a bit special care. Okay, he's not need not be expert in every area. So in some areas you are very weak. It is a common. Okay, fill that weak area with the right who. Suppose, best example, a person is there.